Voy a enviar más dinero el mes que viene.
Hello, this is 911. What emergency service do you require? Thank you. Police officers are en route to your current location.
So you real mean, huh?
I don't care.
Jerk.
Help!
Piece of shit. Fucked up.
Man! I'm not your
Bitch.
punching bag. Oh man, this isn't happening. Oh jeez.
I met this
Look
girl
the
last
fuck
night,
out.
and she was like, wow, you're actually cute and skinny, kind of surprised.
I won the Golden Globe in high school. You should be ashamed. I used to be a boxer. Oh! You're a terrible example of a person.
Oh, you want to get up?
Holy shit. No.
Hey, fuck you, bitch.